Hi, wonderful people, and welcome back to another video. Today we have this geometry question right here. Pretty interesting one. We know this angle, we know this angle, we also know this angle, but we don't know this angle, and we are calling it x. Basically, we want to find angle x. Before we start, pause the video, give it a try first, and if you are done, let's get right into it. In fact, the question looks a little bit challenging, but it's not all that difficult. Check this. This line right here is parallel to this line right here, meaning that if we draw another parallel line to cut across this angle here, we have this angle alternating with the new angle here. In fact, this is a straight parallel line. Now, this angle right here is alternating with this angle right here because we have zigzag shape. And remember, alternating angles are equal. So meaning that the whole of this angle here is equal to 44 degrees. Cool. Now, what about this angle here, the remaining angle? Don't forget that the whole of this angle is giving us 80 degrees. So now that we know this angle, if we add it up to this one, we should get 80. So to get this angle right here, we have to take 44 from 80, and that will give us 36. So this angle here is also 36. Remember, if we put them together, we'll be getting 80 degrees. And the question is, why are we doing all this? We are doing this because remember this line is parallel to this line and we know this angle. Remember, again, if we draw another parallel line to cut across this angle X, this is also a parallel line. Again, this angle here, which is 36 degrees, is also alternating with this angle. Great. So it means that here is 36, this angle is also 36 degrees. Now, if we are able to find this angle here, then we can put the two angles together and that will be our x. But how are we going to get this remaining angle for us to get our angle x? That is the problem. Now check this out. If we continue this line here, we can actually find this angle simply because this angle here, which is 125 plus this unknown angle, if we add them up, we should get 180 degrees. That is angles on a straight line. The sum of angles on a straight line is 180 degrees. So let's assume that this angle here is m degrees. Then basically 125 plus m should give us 180 degrees, meaning that m is equal to 180 degrees minus 125 degrees. And basically, we are going to have m to be 55 degrees. So it means that this angle m right here is 55 degrees. And check this out. This is also a zigzag shape. Remember, the whole of this angle is alternating with this angle right here. Therefore, if this angle is 55 degrees, definitely this angle is also 55 degrees. And we are almost there because we know that x is equal to this angle, which is 36 degrees, then plus this angle right here. Putting everything together, we are going to have x, and that angle is 55 degrees. So basically, we are going to have x is equal to 36 plus 55. I think that is going to be 91 degrees. And that is pretty much it. So guys, I hope you found the video useful. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more and see you again on the next video. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye-bye.